Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. If a plus b plus c equals 0 and a square plus b square plus c square equals 14, find the values of b equal a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. And now we go to the solution together. So that we have a plus b plus c equals 0 and a square plus b square plus c square equals 14. First, I use this equation to find this expression. Okay, now we have a square plus b square plus c squares equal 14. And then I raise both sides of this equation to powers 2. Okay, now I get a square plus b square plus c squares all squares equal 14 square. And this we use the rules a plus b plus c all squares equals a square plus b square plus c squares plus 2ab's plus 2bc plus 2ac. And this we get a square all square plus b square all square plus c square all square plus 2a squares multiplied b squares and plus 2b squares multiplied c squares and plus 2a square multiplied c squares equals 196. And this a squares all square. If we have a power m all power n is equal a power m multiply n. And then this we get a power 4 plus b power 4 and plus c power 4 and plus this we can take 2 out. I get 2 factor a square b square and plus b square c square and plus a square and c square equal 196. And then I change 2 factor a square b square plus b square c square plus a square c square to the right hand side. So I get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 equal 196 minus 2 factor a square b square and plus b square c square and plus a square c square. And now we must find the values of this expression. Okay, now I use a plus b plus c equals 0. But a plus b plus c equals 0. And then I raise both sides to square. So I get a plus b plus c all squares equals 0. And then we use this rule. So we get a square plus b square plus c squares plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ac 0. And then we have a square plus b square plus c square equal 14. So I can replace it by 14. 14 plus this I can factor it. So we get 2 factor ab plus bc plus ac equal 0. And then I change 14 to the right hand side. We get 2 factor ab plus bc plus ac equal minus 14. And we divide both sides of this equation by 2. So I get ab plus bc plus ac equal minus 7. And then I raise both sides of this equation to square. So we get ab plus bc plus ac all squares equal minus 7 all square. And we get this, we can use the rule ab all squares and plus bc all squares plus ac all square plus 2 ab's multiply bc plus 2 bc multiply ac's and plus 2 ab's multiply ac's equals 49. And then this equal a square b square plus b square c square plus a square c square plus this we get, if we take 2abc out, we get 2abc multiply this we have b plus this we have c plus this we have a is equal 49. Okay, now this a plus b plus c, so we replace it by 0. So that we get a square b square plus b square c squares plus a square c squares equal 49. So that we have this expression equals 49. So we can find the values of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. So we replace it by 49. So I get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 equals 196 minus 2 multiply 49 and equal 196 minus this we get 98. So it equals 98. Thus b equals 98 is our solution. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.